Hello everyone. We discuss the current affairs of 3rd and 4th May 2020. So let us begin from the first question. Which country's navy will host the world's largest sea exercise, Rim of Pacific exercise, that is known as RIMPAC? So the answer is USA. So USA is going to hold the 27th edition of RIMPAC Pacific exercise, which is a naval exercise or a maritime exercise where various countries' navy will participate in this exercise to show their strength. So the answer is USA. So USA is going to host world's largest sea exercise, that is Rim of Pacific exercise. So next question is, which player has won the Sir Richard Hadley medal? So Richard Hadley is a New Zealand all-rounder, cricket all-rounder. Okay, so on his name this medal has been given, and it has been given to the New Zealand player Ross Taylor. So Ross Taylor won the 2020 Sir Richard Hadley medal. And about New Zealand, the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The currency is New Zealand dollar. And Tim Southee declared as Test Player of the Year. He is also from New Zealand. So next question is, the Cauvery Water Management Authority was formed to resolve the water sharing dispute between how many states? So to solve the water sharing dispute between 4 states, the Cauvery Water Management Authority was formed, and it will resolve the water sharing dispute between which 4 states? These 4 states are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Puducherry. The next question is, how long the 2021 Commonwealth Youth Games were postponed? So Commonwealth Youth Games were declared to be held in 2021, but it was again postponed, and it will be held in 2023. Why it is postponed? Because due to Tokyo Olympics in 2021 and World Games in 2021, so there are various schedule of the games. That's why it is postponed, and it will be hosted by Trinidad and Tobago in 2023, which is a American continental country. Okay, next question is, who wrote Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered, released as ebook? So as coronavirus is there, so it is released as ebook on the 100th anniversary of B.B. Lal, and the book is written by Prahlad Singh, who is the Minister of Culture of our country India. So this is B.B. Lal's Rediscovered, the book, and it is written the civilized India buried under the colonial past. So the answer is Prahlad Singh Patel. So which state became the first state to provide free health insurance to all its citizens? So as coronavirus is there, that's why, and it also became a pandemic, and the country India, where there are various states, and the state which is worstly affected by coronavirus is Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is going to give free health insurance to all its citizens. So about Maharashtra, CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray, Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari, capital is Mumbai, and major rivers of Maharashtra is Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and the folk dance of Maharashtra is Lavani. The next question is, which product from Kashmir got GI tag? And the answer is saffron, that is also known as kesar. So from Kashmir it got GI tag, as Odisha's Kandhamal Haldi also got GI tag, West Bengal's Rasgulla also got GI tag, and also recently black rice also got GI tag. And here about Jammu and Kashmir, which was a state of India, but now it is divided into 2 parts and become a union territory. So after abrogation of Article 370, it is divided into 2 parts. So Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu, and Ladakh's governor is Radhakrishna Mathur. So next question is, who has developed electrostatic disinfection machine to eliminate coronavirus. So as coronavirus is everywhere, so it's a machine which is electrostatic and it will disinfect the coronavirus. So it is a good development by the CSIR and CSIO, both A and B. And about CSIR, it is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and the Director General of CSIR is Shekhar C. Mande, and CSIO is Central Statistics Instrument Organization, whose director is Ravindra Kumar Sinha. Next question is, which is the first state to bring its migrant laborers after lockdown through special labor train? So the answer is Jharkhand. So Jharkhand became the first state to bring its migrant, means its people working outside its state, means outside in other states. So these migrant laborers will come to its own native state through labor trains. So government of India started these labor trains where the migrants laborer will come to Jharkhand. So the answer is Jharkhand. So here is Jharkhand. CM is Hemant Soren, governor is Draupadi Murmu, capital is Ranchi, and the rivers, major rivers of Jharkhand are Damodar, Ganga, Vaitarani, Subarnarekha, Koel. So next question is, which state topped the total installed renewable energy capacity, which is a report by CRISIL? So the answer is Karnataka. So Karnataka is the top total installed renewable energy capacity, and second is Tamil Nadu, and third is Gujarat. So what is this renewable energy? Like air, like sun, we use wind to make wind power, or we use solar signs on the rooftop, solar rooftops, and get electricity. So here Karnataka became the top installed renewable energy capacity state, and it is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, which is known as CRISIL. Okay, so here is Karnataka, as Karnataka is top on the list. So Karnataka's capital is Bangalore, CM is B.S. Yediyurappa, governor is Vajubhai Valla, and major rivers are Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, and the folk dances of Karnataka is Dolu, Kunitha. So next question is, who has been appointed as director of Central Water Commission Finance? So it's finance department. So Central Water Commission's director appointed, the answer is Pratap Kumar Shukla is appointed as director of Central Water Commission Finance Department. Okay, so next question is, the book Shivaji in South Block, the unwritten history of a proud people, written by? The answer is Girish Kuber. So Maharashtra's evolution from past to current situation, or current time, or present time, it is written in this book. So this book is written by Girish Kuber. So next question is, who has been selected as an honorary member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences? So the answer is Shobhana Narasimhan. Shobhana Narasimhan selected as an honorary member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. Honorary means she will work in this academy, as the government is appointed her on honorary basis, means there is no salary, but he is dedicated to work at there. Okay, so next question is, who is appointed as director of operations of NTPC? NTPC is National Thermal Power Corporation, and the answer is Ramesh Babu, appointed as director of operations of National Thermal Power Corporation. So about NTPC, its chairman is Gurdeep Singh. It is founded in the year 1975, and the headquarters of NTPC is in New Delhi. So next question is, which state government has started a unique initiative called Umbare Anganwadi? So the answer is Gujarat. So it means Umbare Anganwadi means doorstep Anganwadi, where the Anganwadi workers will cook and provide nutritional food to 14 lakh children, adults, and pregnant women in its state. So it's a good initiative by the Gujarat government. So about Gujarat, its CM is Vijay Rupani, governor is Acharya Devbrat, capital is Gandhinagar, rivers are Narmada, Sabarmati, Tapi, and Mahi are the major rivers of Gujarat, and the most important folk dance of Gujarat is Garba, and there is Statue of Unity which is near Narmada river, which is 182 meter high and also 597 feet, which is 182 meter, and this statue made on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as the Iron Man of India. So next question is, which cricket team is on the top of ICC T20 rankings? So recently International Cricket Council reported its rankings on T20 cricket. So the answer is Australia is on the top of ICC T20 rankings. So Australia, after Australia it's New Zealand second, and India is in third, and in England is top in the ODI, that is one day international category. So ICC chairman is Shashank Manohar and CEO is Manu Shahani. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe your channel CS Patnaik CP Classes. For more videos please stay tuned to this channel.